Greetings of the day, student, in the subject of integrated marketing communication and brand management. Today we are going to discuss another marketing communication tool, which is event marketing. You may have heard about this concept. So in today's buyers empowered world, marketers need to seize every opportunity to start a relationship, to generate the goodwill and earn the trust of prospective buyers. So it's tempting to want to stick with the marketing tactics that take least amount of time and money to execute. But it is not often not in your company's best interest to do so. So a solid marketing mix which incorporates the event marketing is very critical to connect with as many potential customers as possible. And for the same, you have to look into event marketing aspect very carefully. So whether hosting an event or sponsoring or presenting at an event, you may be a first timer or the seasonal pro, you have to arm with all the information you need to get most out of your event marketing. So event marketing is the strategy of promoting a brand or a business in real time or through in-person interaction at an event. So when done properly, it is a very fantastic way to develop a high quality and organic leads for your businesses. There is a research which says that there are 74.5% of business to business marketers said that they use conferences or the trade show booth to acquire the new customers, and 9.1% of them said that their event marketing is the most impactful revenue channel for their organization. So these numbers are not less, and that is why the event marketing thing or event marketing as a marketing communication tool is very effective. So event marketing is a strategy that marketers use to promote their brand, product or services with in-person or real-time engagement. So these events can be online or offline, and company can participate as a host or they can participate as a participants or the sponsors. So marketer use both inbound and outbound event marketing strategy for promotional purposes. There is a one research survey done by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics that predicts that event industry will grow by 44% from 2010 to 2020, and that is a very big number. So that will exceed most growth prediction for other industries also. So now when we are seeing that there are so big numbers which are attached with this event marketing, so the question is, why is event industry growing so quickly and why has it done such an integral part of successful marketing strategy? So here we are going to talk about the four best way to use event marketing ad. So these are the four best ways to use your event marketing ad. The first one we have is to build a brand awareness. So 74% of event attendees says that they have a more positive opinion about the company or the brand or services being promoted after the event. Why it happens is, what why would this will happen? Because one of the biggest reason companies participate in or the host or the sponsor such event to establish and build their brand name and the identity. So with the increasingly fierce competition in almost every industry, being able to differentiate yourself is very crucial. So you have to choose to participate in specific marketing events or to associate with a particular host name or the ecosystem to gain access to the highly targeted audiences or to show off your brand's personality. So when you select wherein which event you want to participate in or the what type of event you would like to host, first you have to think is what is your customer, what kind of event they would likely to attend. So In event marketing, there will be all focus will be your customers. So for customer, you are making a various campaigns of the events. Another way companies can build a brand awareness at event is to connecting with the reporters who will be there. So if done right, they can establish a relationship with the influential journalists or the influencers or the bloggers in their industry, and that will give you a brisk coverage for your product and the position, and that will help you for your brand personality building. The second way here is customer engagement. So in-person events help you to humanize your company and create a more authentic connection with customers. So by immersing your customers in a unique and memorable experiences, they are more likely to have an emotional tie with your brand, and it will be more inclined to share their experiences with the friends and maybe even other businesses. So word of mouth is most effective means of generating the new customers, and happily engaged customers are more likely to talk about your product or services, and they will refer your product to others. Next point you have is lead generation. So 79% of US marketers says that they generate the sales using the event marketing. So conferences and events are a very powerful way to engage with your target audiences or gain more in-depth understanding of your pain points. It will facilitate your decision making processes. When people attend an event, they will already shown an interest in your product or services which you are offering, and many a times they are ready to make a purchasing decision. So people attend an event, and therein they have already shown an interest in your product or services which you are offering, and many a time they are very much ready to make a purchasing decision. So to facilitate this purchasing process, you all need a place to capture a qualified leads or the prospects, their information also to follow up after the event. So there are various ways to engage with your prospect and collect their information. You can include the demonstration at your events, you can have a speaking session, or you can have social media engagement parties or the hosting a sponsor party. You and this will ultimately help you to generate the leads for your businesses. Next you have is the fourth point which we are talking here, which we are going to talk here is upselling your customers. So many a time upselling is a natural extension of educating your customers. So you can use the demos or webinars as a soft sell for new product offerings. If suppose your event staff listens to the customers pain points, and then they will give a demonstration of how specific feature address to their needs, it will likely that they will present a new feature and which a customer wants to upgrade about their purchase, and ultimately the entire process will ended up to the purchase decision. So by demonstrating, your company will understand your customers needs, and that will he will the sales representative will take time to address how your product or services can fix a specific problem, whether in person or via live webinar or so ultimately it will create more trust. So your upsell will seem less sell and more helpful towards your product. Now, as a marketing student, the one question we arises in our mind is why you should include the event marketing in your specific marketing campaign. So, an event marketing plan will help your company to stand out in a crowded marketplace. So, you can combine the event marketing with your digital campaigns, and that marketing campaign will create a more meaningful and longer lasting relationship with your prospect or the customers. So whenever if suppose there is an event where you are organizing an informal webinar, or you are organizing an appreciative dinners, or you are sponsoring at particular trade show, so directly indirectly it is a unique chance to interact with your customers or more on a personal level, and it will help you to create a long and prosperous relationship with them. Now When we are talking about the event marketing, there are common types of it. There are two classification of event marketing types. The first one we have is in person, and the second we have is online event marketing types. Okay, so as you can see that the in-person event marketing types, there we have conferences, then we have workshops, account-based marketing events, intimate breakfast, lunches or dinners or trade show and seminars. So we will discuss them one by one. The first one is conferences. So conferences are generally hosted by a company or organization. So this gives you the larger in-person events. It will brings together the various attendees around a specific purpose or topic. Taken an example of suppose technological advancement or the education. Next you have is workshop. So smaller meetings or the field events where an expert leads a group in a more formal learning environment is known as a workshop. So therein you can again interact with your prospects, or you can, yes, you can interact with your prospect and educate them about your products and services. Next you have is account based marketing event. So here we are those these marketing events are are highly targeted and customized. They gives you the customized experiences. They are designed to address specific clients or the prospects needs. As the name suggests that these are the account based marketing events. So here our target is the specific client for your organization to gain their interest in your products. Next you have is intimate breakfast, lunches or dinners. So small events such as um, arranging a intimate breakfast or lunches or dinner for your customer or the prospect. So here we can focus on the networking, or we can focus on the thought leadership, either with the customer or the prospect focused event can be created in those kind of opportunities. Next you have is trade shows. So an in-person event that brings together a large group of individual or the companies in a particular industry or profession. Herein all the industry expert comes and show off their new products. They do their networks, they build their networks in those trade shows. Generally automobiles do have the trade shows on annual basis. Next you have is seminars. So in seminars there is a training or topic specific lecture with a question and answer portion at the end, and those are created to educate the clients about some product or advanced features you have in your products. Now another classification we have is online event marketing types. So here are we have webinars, live streaming events, virtual events, or online classes. So the first one we have is webinar. So it is an online version of the seminar. So it will feature a live presentation with a moderator or the guest speaker, and the webinar will concluded by a question answer session about your products or services, or if suppose customer having some doubts in their mind. Next you have is live streaming events. So though live streaming events are virtual events wherein online video which includes a conversation about with the viewers. They can participate in the event through comments. So a company's social media accounts will go live, and they will talk about their products, or they will stream how to use the usage. They will demonstrate the usage of your products. That can be done through the live streaming events. Next you have is virtual events. In this pandemic time, especially the virtual events are more popular with the marketer nowadays. What they do is they create a physical like they create a virtual physical location wherein customer can be very interactive with the company. They are what they can interact with the other customer, or they can enjoy the facilities which are provided by the company in those virtual events. It can be like music festivals, or it can be some educational events wherein your company can sponsor them. So customer will got to know about your product there also. Next you have is online classes. So online education classes or events are more focused over the teaching skill or a particular subject specific thing. So you can approach a specific subject oriented or targeted customer in the online classes, where you can create an event and you can educate your customers about the products. So in a way, event marketing is very efficient way to advertise your products and services. Now, why the event marketing is very important? Because you have to understand the buyer's perspective also, because the business we are in a very competitive environment, wherein one mistake can lead to a many losses, and that is why to understand the buyer perspective is very important. So when you are having a face-to-face conversation with your customer, it will help us to understand what exactly a buyer needs and how he perceives your product and services. So this information will help you to improve your product also. Next important point is branding and real-time experiences will help to increase the buyer's loyalty. So when suppose you are constantly in touch with your customer in a very personal and focused way, so customer will perceive a emotional connect with your product, and they will remain loyal to your brand. Again, I have to quote some research here that some marketing experts says that 72% of customer view their brand that offer quality events very positively. Next you have is to increase your social media engagement. You can get into event marketing is very important. So event marketing is effective way to boost brand social media engagement. So you can strategize your business by using social media more often, and it will be a cost efficient method to use, and the ultimately result will give you the more engaged customers, and you can bring your brand's community on your social media accounts. Now next important point is event marketing helps in lead generation. So wherein you can target a demographic customer which are present in a trade show, or they want to purchase your product, they want to engage with your brand, so there will be a greater chance of getting leads on the prospective customer or consumer there. So that's it for event marketing. In next lecture we are going to talk about another and very important topic, which is customer service. And that's it for this lecture. Until next lecture, please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel of JS College of Commerce Vardha e-learning. Thank you.